Yep.
Awesome. Thank you.
I can't hear you.
You guys were supposed to be here at 3?
03, yes.
Yeah, and it's 04, so we're going to start you, okay? We're almost at 5.
Well, start us at 6.
We start at 6.
At 5?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Hang on. Less than 10.
Oh, okay. Okay.
No, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. What the fuck? Okay. 200 here. Then right 5 plus, loose and long, 50. Then left 5 plus, very long. It's gonna open very long. Then tighten back to 6 and double caution 120 right 3. Up there's your double caution 120 right 3, 50. Then left 6 long, over bridge, 200. Flat right 5 plus long, 150. Then long small crest, 200. Left 5, 70. And left 5 minus tightens, 70. Left 5 minus tightens here, 70. Then left 4 half long tightens. Into right 4 plus 100. Right 4 plus here, 100. Then right 6, 70. And right 6 plus long, 180. Then left 6 loose and very long, 250. Then turn left 2 at the sign, 120. $120 now. And right 3 plus. This is a right 3 plus. Into crest 150. Then small crest 40 and care right 4 minus off camber. Into left 3 plus long 100. Left 3 plus long here 100. Right 6 100. And small crest 100, then double caution, left 5 plus over small crest, tightens to 4. 100 here,
Okay.
left 5 plus over small crest, tightens to 4. Then right 6 opens very long, 100. And small crest, into right 5. Then 50. And stay left over small crest 100, then right 6 plus short 30, and small crest 70, and small crest 150, then small crest 30, right 5 plus, over crest, and a second crest 100, then right 6 plus over water 100, then turn right 3 minus 30, turn right 3 minus 30, and stay left over crest 180, then care left 4 plus over small crest off camber 70, right 5 minus 180, then double caution left 4 plus over kick tightens off camber 50, then right 5 over crest 30, and right 4 plus short over crest into left 4 loose, 150. Then long small crest 30. And left 6 into right 5 short over small crest. Into left 6 plus. Into small crest 300 to finish.
Flat
Then
finish.
then 200 crest. Nice job.
Good job,
Slow
bud.
down, slow
Yep,
down.
yep, I am.
Left